Mm-hmm. Put your spoon in. Yep. Good boy. Yeah. And put your spoon in. Yeah. Good boy. Oh! It jumped out your mouth. Yeah. Ready? Mm-hmm. Good work. You put it in here? Yeah. Good boy. Now put it in your mouth. In your mouth. Nathan. Good boy. Good boy. You can put it back in the container. Get some more yogurt. Put it in here. Now, put the spoon in. There you go. Now in your mouth. No. In your mouth. Good boy. That was a lot of yogurt. In your mouth. Good boy. No. Don't do that. Some more. Good. In your mouth. Good work. All done? All done. Okay.